In addition to the phone itself, there's a transparent case included along with the 120-watt fast charging, which as claimed could fully the phone's 4700 mAh large battery 0 to 100 only in 17 minutes. The Redmi K50 Gaming comes with 3 different colors: black, silver and blue. The blue is here. The back side is made of AG glass with a decorative texture in the middle. There is not much fancy reflection and the back feels pretty good in hand. The edge frame is made of metal material. On the right side of the device we have powerful gaming triggers and power button with fingerprint sensor. We also have a volume rockers on the left hand side and a dual SIM tray which supports 5G, but unfortunately no expandable storage option and no headphone jack. At the bottom we have a USB 2.0 Type C port, still not 3.1, but this time around we have a JBL quad speaker system. It is made up of 2 main speakers, one at the top and one at the bottom.